राज, अगर ये तुझे प्यार करती है तो ये पलट के देखेगी।
शाहरुख खान का ये फेमस डायलॉग तो हम सबने सुना है, लेकिन इसको हम इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? इफ शी लव्स मी शी विल टर्न, इफ शी लव्ड मी शी वुड टर्न, इफ शी हैड लव्ड मी शी वुड हैव टर्न्ड। कंफ्यूजिंग राइट? ये सारे ही सेंटेंसेस अपने आप में करेक्ट है, लेकिन इस कंडीशन में, इस सिचुएशन में कौन सा सेंटेंस यूज होगा, ये हम सीखेंगे आज के इस वीडियो में। इन सारे ही सेंटेंसेस को हम कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस बोलते हैं। कंडीशनल्स आर दोज सेंटेंसेस दैट टेल यू द रिजल्ट ऑफ अ कंडीशन। अगर ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता, अगर ऐसा हुआ होता तो ऐसा होता, अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो ऐसा होता। ये सारे ही कंडीशंस हैं और उनके रिजल्ट हैं। कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू क्लॉजेस, टू पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट इज द कंडीशन and second is the result. Condition clause हम हमेशा, not हमेशा but 90% of the times we use it with if. If it rains, I'll stay indoors. यहाँ पर if it rains is the condition and I'll stay indoors is the result. If she loves me, she will turn. Here, if she loves me is the condition, she will turn is the result. अगर मैंने पढ़ाई करी होती, मैं पास हो जाती। अगर मैंने पढ़ाई करी होती इज द कंडीशन, मैं पास हो जाती इज द रिजल्ट। इफ आई हैड स्टडीड आई वुड हैव पास्ड। बट व्हाई आर कंडीशनल सो कंफ्यूजिंग? Conditionals are confusing because they do not follow the typical English grammar rules, especially tenses. Even when we are talking about the present, we use will. Even when we are talking about the future, we use would. Confusing, right? But don't worry. After this video, you will not be confused anymore. So let's get started. Conditionals are of four types: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and the third conditional. There are also mixed conditionals, but we'll not talk about those in this video. We'll probably make a separate video for that. First, we'll begin with the first and the second conditional. But why not zero conditional? क्योंकि हम ज्यादातर अपनी स्पीच में फर्स्ट और सेकंड कंडीशनल का ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं. That is why we'll begin with first and second conditional. To understand the first and the second conditional, let's play a game. I will give you a few conditions and you have to tell me whether they are real or unreal. They are possible or impossible. और अगर कोई सिचुएशन पॉसिबल है भी, तो क्या उसके पॉसिबल होने के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा हैं? इज इट मोर लाइकली टू हैपन? या फिर उसके चांसेस पॉसिबल होने के, ट्रू होने के बहुत कम हैं? इज इट लेस लाइकली टू कम ट्रू? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विनिंग अ लॉटरी. नाउ आई कैन विन अ लॉटरी, लेकिन इसके ट्रू होने के चांसेस कितने हैं? बहुत ही कम. दैट इज वाई विल पुट इट इन द सेकेंड कैटेगरी. लेट्स टेक अनदर सिचुएशन. हैविंग मोर टाइम. आपको क्या लगता है, हैविंग मोर टाइम इज अ रियल पॉसिबल सिचुएशन या फिर अनरियल इम्पॉसिबल सिचुएशन? It's an unreal situation because we only have 24 hours in a day. It's fixed. I cannot have more time than that. इसलिए ये एक unreal hypothetical situation है. Meeting a friend. Meeting a friend is a real possible situation. I can meet my friend today, I can meet my friend next week, or maybe next month. Now let's look at the last situation. Imagine you can see some black clouds in the sky. बारिश होने के चांसेस क्या रियल है या फिर अनरियल? It's a real possible situation because I can see the black clouds. It is very much real and possible that it will rain. So the rule is कि real possible situations के साथ हम first conditional लगाते हैं and with unreal hypothetical situations we use the second conditional. Now let's dive deeper into the first conditional. Imagine you have a job interview next week. This job interview is extremely important for you. ये आपका ड्रीम जॉब है. You have wanted this job for a very very long time. अगर आप तैयारी करोगे तो आपका इंटरव्यू अच्छा होगा. If you prepare, you will perform well in the interview. If you perform well in the interview, you'll get a job. ये सारे ही sentences first conditional के examples हैं. First conditional जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया, real possible situation के लिए यूज होता है. Now that we've understood the meaning of the first conditional, let's look at its formation. We form the first conditional with if plus present simple and will plus base form for the result. For example, If it rains, I'll stay home. If it rains, I'll stay home. You can also flip it and say, I'll stay home if it rains. The meaning does not change. It's absolutely okay to flip conditionals. Remember, when speaking, use contractions. Don't say I will, say I'll. I'll. If I get the job, I'll go on a vacation. If I prepare, I'll get the job. Now let's move on to the second conditional. We use the second conditional to talk about unreal hypothetical situations. ऐसे situations जो real नहीं है, जो true नहीं है. Let's try to understand it with an example. I love watching Harry Potter and I'm always waiting for my letter to arrive from Hogwarts. अगर मेरा letter Hogwarts से आया तो मैं जल्दी से अपने bags pack कर लूंगी. If I got a letter from Hogwarts, I'd pack my bags immediately. Here we are using the second conditional because it's an unreal, impossible situation. But how do we form the second conditional? We use if plus past simple in the condition, would plus base form in the result. If I got a letter from Hogwarts, I would pack my bags immediately. Let's take another example. If I won a lottery, I'd buy a house. Winning a lottery is hypothetical. Winning a lottery is a situation which is very less likely to come true in the future. Meeting an alien. Now, meeting an alien is also a hypothetical, unreal situation. So we will use the second conditional here. If I met an alien, I'd run away. Remember to use contractions. Don't say I would, say I'd. I'd. If I got a letter, I'd pack my bags immediately. If I won a lottery, I'd buy a house. Second conditional also has other uses. One very important use of second conditional is to give advice. Let's try to understand it with an example. मेरा एक फ्रेंड बहुत दिन से बीमार है, but he's not visiting the doctor. तो मैंने उसको सजेस्ट किया, मैंने उसको एडवाइस किया कि अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होती तो मैं डॉक्टर के पास चली जाती. If I were you, I'd visit the doctor. तो यहाँ पर मैं उसको एक एडवाइस दे रही हूँ to visit the doctor. But I'm giving this advice in an indirect way. I'm not directly saying that you should visit the doctor. I'm saying it that if I were you, I would visit the doctor. इसलिए ये एक बहुत ही polite और formal तरीका है एडवाइस देने के लिए. Let's take another example. Imagine you have a colleague who does not enjoy their job. What advice would you give them? I would say कि अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होती तो मैं अपनी जॉब छोड़ देती. If I were you, I'd quit my job. Another very important thing to remember here is that we do not use if I was. We say if I were you. This is more natural, even though I know we always use I was, but सिर्फ इस situation में इधर second conditional में हम if I were you use करते हैं. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you are not confused with first and second conditional anymore. If you like this video, then please let me know in the comment section below so that I can create another video on mixed conditionals. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you in the next video.